or someone that you know, love, and care about as well. And so a little bit about our company. We've been around now for over 50 years. Our company is a mission-based company. We are in business for a cause. The gentleman that you see in the middle of the screen there, if you're looking, as long as you're not driving, Mr. Harlan Stonecipher started our company over 50 years ago after being in a traffic accident. You see, he was a school teacher by day. He sold insurance on the side to make extra money for his family. People had side hustles even back in 1969. But he was in an unfortunate car accident. The woman who crossed the median strip in front of him hit him head on, flipped his car over, totaled his vehicle, landed him in the hospital. She got a citation saying that she was responsible for causing the accident. But guess what? She had a little money. She and her husband hired a lawyer. Their lawyer researched Mr. Stonecipher's driving record. They found out that he had paid some speeding tickets. So guess what they did? They flipped the script. They used his driving record against him, and they sued him for the accident that she caused while he was in the hospital. When he came out of the hospital, he then had to prepare to go to court to defend himself in a lawsuit for an accident that wasn't even his fault. And guess what? He was successful in that lawsuit. But here's the thing. Mr. Stonecipher sold insurance on the side, so he had his car covered. They were able to replace his vehicle with his auto insurance. He had health care coverage that took care of his medical bills. He even had life insurance if he had passed away in that situation. His family and his wife and his family and children would have been taken care of as well. But what he was not prepared for was the legal fees. The legal fees that he had to incur to defend himself in that lawsuit wiped out his family's life savings. And he was trying to figure out, like, where did I go wrong? What was I missing? What type of insurance is it that I was supposed to have that I didn't have in place that would have protected me and my family from this